Hi, it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on Now We Know channel. And in today's video, we're going to talk about how to make your account private on Pinterest. So let's get started. Well, after getting the app and to make your account private, here the first thing we're going to do, we're going to tap on Saves at the bottom right corner. And after that, we're going to tap on the three dots at the top right corner. This will pop up, and now we're going to choose Settings. And after that, we're going to choose the third option, Profile Visibility. And as you see here, we got Private Profile. And it says, when your profile is private, only people you approve can see your profile, pins, boards, followers, and following list. Now, to make your profile private, then just toggle this on. And this will pop up and it says, to make the switch, first you need to convert your business account to a personal account. And here's how. So go to account management, select convert account, and then return to profile visibility and switch to private. Now we're going to tap on get started and then convert to personal account. Tap on convert to personal. Again, we're going to tap on the three dots, Settings, Profile Visibility, and then toggle this on. And like that, you make your profile on Pinterest private. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya!